Right now, I want to show you this Samsung. This is Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. I'm going to show you the interface, but first I just quickly want to show you the tablet itself. So it's nice and thin. It's got a nice weight to it. I mean, it's light, but it's got some weight to it. It's made of high quality materials. It's metal. It's not plastic. So first of all, you can connect other devices to it. Keyboards, cases, different things like that. It's got this little connector port here. So if you're going to use a keyboard to it, it does connect to that. Now you've got a Type-C for charging here. It does come with the charging cable, and then it also has an 1/8" jack here for your traditional headphone, which is really nice. It's got some very simple controls here on the side. It's just got your volume up or down, and then you also have the on-off button. Then on the other side here, it does have a port here for your expandable storage. So it does take a micro SD card, and you can expand it up to 1 terabyte is what the manual states. It does come with this key, and again, it does come with a charging cable. So we'll just hit the button here to kind of power it on. You can set it up with Face ID recognition, so as soon as it recognizes you, it'll open up. You can also put in a PIN code, and you can kind of customize it further on how you want it to act when you put in that code. Does it open up immediately, or do you still have to swipe? Now, I'm coming from an Apple or a Mac, interface, so I'm still getting used to the Samsung type interface, but I really like it so far. I specifically bought this one for streaming and gaming. So I wanted to play Roblox with my family, and it works great. So I've tested it out. I've already played a couple games on here. I don't have any issues with it lagging, not connecting. It works really fast, and it's very responsive, and I've been able to play games very easily on it. And then also I got it to stream. So I am using it to stream movies, TV shows, different things like that. So opening up one of my streaming apps here, it loads just as quick as my current phone, so I don't have any issues with it being slow there as well. And I've streamed some movies here, fast forwarded through them, and I haven't had any issues with lag or anything like that. It is very responsive, so I'm thrilled with those two things. Now there's some other things about this that are pretty cool here. Now I didn't get it for this feature, but it does have this, it's called Samsung DeX. So to get to that menu, you just swipe down here, and then you swipe down again, and now you can turn that on or off. And this is the Samsung DeX setting, which turns your tablet here into more of a traditional desktop or laptop computer, wherein you can actually minimize the different windows that you're working in and slide them around, open up different windows at the same time, so you can have multiple things open on the same screen, be working on different things at the same time. And then it's very kind of subtle, just turning it off. It doesn't really change the interface much, but there's an original version as well. So if you wanted it to be a different layout, they also have kind of the older version as well. So that was the updated one, but I'll show you again if I open up the Play Store. As you can see, I can't minimize it anymore. It's just that one app is open. That's all you can really work in at the same time. So yeah, there you go. I mean, I really like it. It's worked really well for me and my family. I liked it so much that I bought 3 of them. So there's one for each of us. I do have this case here that I will be putting on all of them, so it'll keep it nice and protected. But as far as kind of how it works, the speed that it works, I'm really thrilled with it. I'm not a super tech person, so I'm not worried about kind of the actual specifications of it. I mean, it works just as fast as my phone, and I've got one of the newer models of the Apple phones, and it works just as fast as that when I'm using 1 or 2 apps. I haven't tried it using multiple apps at the same time, but I haven't had any issues with it for what I am trying to use it for. Now, it does have a camera here, so it's got a front-facing camera if you wanted to stream or do a video call or anything like that. It's also got a rear-facing camera there as well. So that is the Samsung Galaxy A9 Plus. I am really thrilled with it. Working great for me and my family, so hopefully that was helpful.